On this episode of Cooking the Books with Heather, we're actually not cooking from a book. My husband put together a cocktail that he wanted me to share with you guys that he is calling the blueberry lemon peppertini. So he's made some blueberry simple syrup. I think it was equal parts blueberries, sugar, and water, boiled until the blueberries sort of popped, and then strain the solids out of that. And that's what's in here. And then we're just going to add some vodka and some chartreuse. He likes it. It's kind of herbaceous and a little bit peppery, thus the peppertini. And we're going to serve it in a martini glass that I have chilling with some ice and water right here. So I have my mixer and I'm going to be making a double batch, but I will tell you what the amounts are for each one. I'm just going to use this single. We have two of them, but one of them has measurements, the other one doesn't, so whatever. So for each drink, we're going to do 1.5 ounces of vodka. I hate when I lose a little bit. And for each drink, we're going to do 3/4 ounce of the blueberry syrup that we've made. We didn't show you that, but it's pretty simple. There we go. And now for each drink, he made it with a little bit more last time, but we came down on the green chartreuse for this. 1/4 ounce of the chartreuse. So for 2, I'm going to do 1/2 ounce. There we go. So in my shaker here, I have just ice. So I'm going to shake it up. It's nice and chilled. It gets really cold up here. Not as much down here because it is insulated, which I enjoy. And I'm going to dump the ice and the water out of my martini glasses. So now we have our chilled martini glasses, and this has a nice strainer in it, so I don't even have to do anything else. I'm going to split it roughly evenly between these two, and that is pretty good. It's not a super full martini, which is not a bad thing because I always am afraid I'm going to spill martinis. But we're going to garnish this with a twist of lemon. I think I did it the wrong way. There we go. So twist, get the oils into the drink. There we go. And there's our blueberry lemon peppertini. Definitely enough still of the chartreuse. I get that flavor. It's pretty sweet because of the blueberry, but it's super easy to drink. It's got the interesting flavor of the peppery herbaceous chartreuse in it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed watching me make this, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and come back and watch me make something else.